Today, I'm going to be guiding you through how to download Coinplix application on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, make sure that your Android device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, open up your Play Store, go to the search box and type in Coinplix and search. Once you find this application that says Coinplix, make money online from Dizzy World, tap on the install button to begin downloading the app. Coinplix is a lifestyle application developed by Dizzy World. It allows you to earn rewards for every activity you do just by playing a fun game. You can also earn cash rewards for every activity that you complete. Once the application is downloaded and if it is ready for use, you will be able to see the open pop-up. Tap on Open to launch Open Coinplix application. Agree to the terms and conditions by checking the boxes and tap Login. Follow through the prompts till the end and you'll be able to access your account. That is how you'll be able to download the Coinplix application for your Android phone. If the video helped you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.